Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises. In today's video, we'll present a project that's called Kai Blockchain.online. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. So let's go now further in our project. As I said, the project is Kai Blockchain. So Kai Blockchain is the only blockchain the world will need. Kai Blockchain is positioned for Web3, Metaverse, low transaction NFTs, DeFi, and everything the future holds in blockchain. Scalable and developer friendly, secure and fast, eco-friendly, decentralized, low transaction fees, easy build decentralized apps. So let's go to the white paper now, and this is a very detailed white paper of the project, the introduction, how does blockchain make a difference today, and you can check all that by the table of contents, including the Kai blockchain features that we will move it. So as we see, all the features plus its efficient security, low gas fees, and more. So let's go back to our website and see Kai price live data. So now this is the chart of price of the Kai blockchain. Kai is a decentralized POW proof of work blockchain with application native currency, which is leveraging functionality of creating fungible and non-fungible assets using a remote procedure called RPC method. Kai blockchain with QE5 cryptocurrencies is designed for finance categorized with low transaction fees and real-time execution. You can see the explainer video by clicking here and see it.
The rise of
here.
Bitcoin.
But we will move on. Kai is able to handle 10 times more transactions than Swift. Kai enables the deployment of smart contracts and decentralized application to be built and run without any downtime, fraud control, or interference from a third party. Decentralized application, also known as DApps, or DApps are digital applications that run a blockchain network of computers instead of relying on a single computer. Benefits of DApps include the safeguarding of user privacy, censorship, and the flexibility of development. The use of blockchain enables a DApp to process data through distributed networks and to execute transactions. Kai can be used for a wide variety of innovation applications in finance, web browsing, gaming, advertising, DeFi, identify management, Web3, Metaverse, and supply chain management all over the world. Explore dApps by clicking here, and we are now in the dApps. As we said, it's for finance, arts and collectibles, gaming, and technology. For finance, this application that focus on building the finance services using cryptocurrencies. They offer the likes of lending, borrowing, earning interest, and private payments, no personal data required. Arts and collectibles, they are applications that focus on digital ownership, increasing earning potential for creators, and inventing new ways to invest in your favorite creator and their works. Gaming, these are applications that focus on the creation of virtual worlds and battling other players using the collectibles that hold real-world value. Technology, these are applications that focus on decentralizing developer tools, incorporating crypto economic system into existing technology, and creating marketplaces for open source development work. So mobile apps, you can check it from here. Let's go back to the website or the main website and go further here. So utilize Kai blockchain technology. Kai proposed to utilize blockchain technology not only for maintenance and decentralized payment network, but also for storing computer code can be used to power Trump-proof decentralized financial contracts and application. Blockchain helps to verify and traceability of multi-step transaction needing verification and traceability. It can provide secure transactions, reduce compliance costs, and speed up data transfer processing. Blockchain technology can help contract management and audit the origin of a product. If your goal is to provide the highest security level of data transaction, a shared database is required. There is no trust between future network participants, employees, organization, and customers. You can check all news for here and also the videos from here. So this is our project of today. You can also see, as I said, the docs and all questions answered here. How can I add Q to MetaMask step by step? And what is blockchain? If you don't know blockchain, what is QI? And all questions that you will need. So thank you very much for watching this video. I wish I was helpful in this video. So if there is any question, I will be comment section, and please don't forget to put like, and thank you very much for your watching.